Hi everyone, and welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to make VLC default player in Windows 10, so you can enjoy all your videos and music without any hassle. Step 1. Right-click on any video or audio file on your PC, then select Open With and click Choose Another App. This lets you pick a different program to play that type of file. Step 2. In the pop-up window, select VLC Media Player from the list of apps. VLC is a versatile media player that supports almost every video and audio format. Step 3. Check the box that says Always use this app to open file type files. This ensures that every time you open this type of file, VLC will be used automatically. Step 4. Click OK to confirm your choice. This saves your settings and makes VLC the default player for that file type immediately. Step 5. If you want VLC to be the default for all supported media types, repeat these steps for other video and audio files, or go to Settings, then Apps, then Default Apps, and under Video Player or Music Player, select VLC Media Player. This will set VLC as the default player for all compatible files at once. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips and tutorials.